Keeping this terrarium where it is will most certainly cause it to die. Why? Because it's in direct sunlight. The intensified heat will leave the terrarium looking like this. A far better lighting choice would be under some LED lights. But most low-powered LEDs work great. Alternatively, you can place it in a bright spot in indirect sunlight. This could be anything from a windowsill, a shelf, or even your desk. This terrarium has been kept under LED lights, and as you can see, it's thriving. These have been kept in indirect sunlight and they are doing equally good